Do you remember the deep, refreshing sleep you had in your 30s? Many people over 60 think those nights are gone forever, but the truth is, with the right habits, seniors can still enjoy truly restorative sleep. In today's video, we'll share 5 simple bedtime habits that can help you sleep deeply again, wake up refreshed, and protect your health. Habit number 1, create a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day resets your body's internal clock. Seniors who stick to consistent schedules fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Habit number 2, power down electronics before bed. Blue light from phones, tablets, or TVs tells your brain it's still daytime. Turn off electronics at least an hour before bed. Instead, try reading or listening to calming music. Habit number 3, build a relaxing wind-down routine. Light stretching, gentle breathing, or drinking herbal tea signals to your body that it's time to relax. A consistent wind-down ritual prepares both your body and mind for deep sleep. Habit number 4, keep the bedroom cool, quiet and dark. Your bedroom environment matters more than you think. A cooler temperature, blackout curtains, and eliminating noise all promote deeper, longer sleep. Habit number 5, avoid late-night heavy meals and caffeine. Digesting a heavy dinner or drinking caffeine in the evening keeps your body alert. Instead, eat lighter meals at night and stop caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. Extra tip, stay active during the day. Daily activity improves nighttime sleep quality. Even a 20-minute walk during the day helps your body fall asleep faster at night. With just these 5 bedtime habits, you can reset your sleep cycle and start enjoying restful, refreshing nights, just like you did decades ago. Which of these habits do you already follow, and which one will you try tonight? Leave your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy aging tips every week.